red Swiss chard. It looks so pretty, you don't feel like eating it. I have it in like a 12 by 14 or 16 inch pot. So it's not a very big pot, but it is gorgeous. Nice and fresh. Looks very much like beetroot tops. I'm sure it's just as nutritious. And I just watered it earlier, so I'm gonna pick some and do a recipe with it. So when picking Swiss chard, I normally pick the big leaves and leave the inside. So the younger leaves on the inside main core grows, and if you pick the outer leaves, you can get a continuous picking throughout the summer. So it's something to keep in mind. I may transplant some of these plants to the garden that I just cut out downstairs. So some of the plants can grow larger leaves, but I like to eat them in the baby stages. So this is actually perfect, or maybe even younger than this. It's really delicious. It's tender and it's like melt in the mouth. So I like picking them very young. They're good when they get older as well, but I think it's baby greens are always so much tastier and more nutritious. Like from microgreens to baby greens, you're talking like packed with nutrition. So I pick some and let's see what we can do with it. There's a plain green Swiss chard. It grows quite tall and large, but because I got it in a box, it's pretty short. And I'm gonna pick some of it and mix it with the other colored red Swiss chard and see if I can devise a recipe to incorporate both of these spinach type leaves. In between there's lamb's quarters growing. It's considered a weed in North America, but for Easterners it's also regarded as a good healthy type of spinach. And I left it there because it might have come with the soil. I didn't plant this. So I've got a really good potting mix inside, and so it must have been in the soil. But I'm going to harvest some of these leaves and mix it with the other spinach, or the other Swiss chard leaves, the red Swiss chard.